Get ready to whip up a delicious and healthy treat with us.
Welcome to Ghost Toast Kitchen. We're Sean and Heather. In today's episode, we're going to be making berry bark.
It's an easy, fun, and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. It all starts with Greek yogurt that we then add a little bit of maple syrup to. If you have pancake syrup, that works just fine. Whisk all that together, get it well incorporated. That maple syrup is going to be the sweetness for this recipe. Then you're going to want to spread it out onto a cookie sheet that is covered in parchment paper. Just spread it on out into a layer about a 1/4 inch thick or so. This will help it freeze, and it'll keep it really easy to eat by making sure that it's not too thick. Just put your berries on there. Now we're using some frozen berries, but fresh berries are always welcome. If you want, you could also add some nuts or granola. The toppings are really up to you. So just spread those berries out, and while you do so, take a minute to like and subscribe and hit the notify button for our channel. Now, after you have put your berries on, it's time to drizzle it with a little bit of chocolate. Now we're using dark chocolate here. We're putting about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil on it. You always want to have a fat when you melt your chocolate. That'll help keep it from burning, and then just microwave it for about 30 seconds at a time. After that, just drizzle it onto your yogurt and fruit. After that, you're simply going to put it into the freezer. You're going to want it to be there for at least 4 hours, and when it comes out, just break off a piece that you want. Thanks for joining us at Ghost Toast Kitchen. We like this recipe. We think you will like it too. Check out our next recipe.